watching him run because he does that stagger step. Can I get you to do it? No. He runs like he's climbing the floor.
Mm-hmm.
You're getting better at the breaks. Keep going. Keep going. So I ain't stupid. I know what you're trying to do. I've seen you do it to the boys too many times.
Kitty pile.
Here comes Bear. Yeah, she stops. Like she knows what I'm trying to do, so she'll stop.
Mm-hmm.
It's like she's smart. Spectre's not so smart.
Mm-hmm.
Get it. Like he'll just keep going if he can. You can tell when he starts getting dizzy. Did you see him like looking?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you don't want to get run over by Bear. Are you gonna perform? Please don't fall into the food bowl. I really don't want to give you guys baths today. He just goes. He's purring at me now. They're like, I'm fat. I need a break. Yeah, she just stumbled. Kit. She's like, no, I don't like that feeling. He's just
That was my foot.
Okay, guys. He just ran into the corner so bad. Radagast has no brakes. think he's afraid that Gandalf's gonna run into him. Or
Who?
Radagast.
Uh-huh.
That's the first time I've called him that since my dad renamed him. Come on, Arwen. Get it. You guys. I think they're getting worn out.
Probably. Been
Nope.
doing this for like 15 minutes.